still going off there.
Not bad at all. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Just here at Rocky Point boat ramp, about to get some life back. Gonna attempt to throw the casty again. I'm no good at it, but we'll see. And then we're heading up the Mission River. Righto, Mission River, here we go. A bit of a troll at the Mission River Bridge.
He is taking a go of it. It's not like the one I caught out that snag the other day.
It's ready. Put him.
Good job.
Righto, we're just up a little feeder creek. They were up the other day, just off the Mission River. And a bit of a troll. We're gonna have some crab pots in. Come back on the high tide and hopefully got some muddies. Don't know. Little finger mark or something. Yeah, little one. Oh. Shit, that's not that little.
They're not that bad, actually.
Nice little finger mark. Oh, oh.
Put on.
Oh. Let go.
Okay.
Where's his uncle?
Finally. Nice one.
I reckon it's a little shark or something. Yeah, it is. Bastard. Great. Oh, I should get the hook out of it. Sorry, buddy. Today was what it was. We're back in, wind blew up as usual, so we just thought let's have an early day. Been hitting it pretty hard, so gonna grab a froth and we're gonna go for a swim because I'm buggered and hot. What the hell's that thing? Check this out. Unimog. Hell yeah. Oh, army one. And the pinky. Sick. Morning. Supposed to be the least windy it's been in 2 bloody weeks, so fingers crossed we have a nice ride out there and stuff prevails for us. But not a bad morning. Sun's just creeping up. Here we go again. Day 375. What a fucking like. Anyway. Yeah. Right, so we're fishing this junction. Something took off with me bait before, but it didn't hook it. Oh, this could be a barra. Something's starting to happen. We're getting bites and the liveys are getting harassed, so fingers crossed we're on to some winners. You.
Silver.
Oh. No, Javi.
Javelin.
Javelin. Oh.
Oh, thank you.
That was a squid he's shitting over here. Now, I've got something on. Something big.
Go around me. I'm not on yours now, am I? No.
Big boy. Probably another shark.
I better clean it up this time. spillway, mate. Might be a big dude. That'd be a
leader. Got leader. Please don't be a shark. You're me, aren't you?
Oh, you gotta be joking. It's the world's biggest catfish.
I can get it out. Look where the hook is. It's easy.
You can get it. I can get a photo.
Yeah.
Really? After all that?
After all that, a catfish. Hey man, honestly. Look at it.
Bit of a good size if it was a barra.
Oh man. Anyway, can you friggin' believe it? A friggin' catfish. He's shat in the boat. Stinks. Shat all over your reel too.
Oh,
look at that.
Ah, and the rod.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. Fish shit.
And that was the anticlimax. Man, I thought that was something decent. Day 4000. That's what it feels like. My foot got between the tinny and the boat ramp this morning, so it's a good start. Bit of pain. I have been known to see things. Might be doing a robber when seeing things, but it looks like there's a dead shark on the beach. Don't know.
Out of the reef.
Tones it on.
Just need to put him in the reef.
Cod. Big cod.
Big and slow.
Big and slow. Spin it down. Big cod.
Holy no.
Hell yeah. Nice.
Got it.
Net.
Yes, please. What a fish!
Oh, sweet! That thing's huge!
Man, he's a honker.
Now that's worth it.
That's what we're talking about.
Just fits in the esky. Biggest fish so far. Sweet.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a fish. It's a fish. It might be, mate. No! Oh no, he's coming. What is it? It's like a little tuna or something. It's a little baby mackie.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Little baby mackie.
Don't know what sort it is. I've cut little bits picked up low spots.
Sort of.
Branded because it's more stripes and spots.
Yeah. First mackie, finally. Second to last day of fishing, that'll be right.
Yeah.
Rocky, you reckon? Yep. But the one you got would have eaten that.
Yeah.
Not like that tusky that followed it out before, damn it.
Shut up.
See ya, buddy. How's the stomper coral trout it's called? Oh, it's so cute and little.
Bigger than the one I caught the other day.
I'm certain that.
Well, he's still going off the more fresh one.
That's it, you slowed up a bit now. Oh shit, I've seen the silver. Holy shit. Fuck. And then bang. definitely not done yet, I don't reckon. Got colour. No. Was it? No way. Can't be. Give me too much grief. It looked long and silver when I saw it hit it, but that's a
Let's pull it hard for anything.
pulling way hard. Fuck, it's got some weight to it.
Yeah. I'll pull one there too.
Trevally.
Too hard. Golden trevally.
Big goldie.
Yeah.
Big golden trevally. Hang on, Tony. Hang on. Not yet. Fucking Jesus. Hey. Wait. Yep. Yeah!
Nice. Oh, fish.
Something!
Oh, that is a nice fish.
Goldie? Nah.
Big golden trevally. Give Troy a bit of grief. He can't pick it up. He didn't have his cornflakes for breakfast. That's a nice fish. Seriously nice fish. Yeah.
Thank you. That gave me some curry. Oh, that was hard work. Anyway, let's try and do it again. Spinnet wasn't a mackie, but it was a good fish. I'm happy with that. Yo. So we just pulled in Tony's lure because he saw it have a hit, but like, what is that thing?
I don't even know what it is.
It's weird. It's like eyes are almost flat-headed, like up the top almost.
It's got little teeth.
What a weird looking fish. Right. See you, buddy. What the hell? Another one.
No, aggressive little bugger.
They're weird. What the? So cute, little pupper. So Tony's has just hooked up. We were driving along trolling and I seen something on the surface. I don't know, it looked like it could have been a shark or it could very well have been a cobia. And 2 seconds later he's hooked up, but freight train. It's weird. not. It is a cobia that is being very docile.
Yeah, if I can get the head up.
Yeah. Oh, not sharpish, isn't it? Yeah. Maybe he's probably like, oh shit, I'm hooked now.
Yeah,
Shit, I'm out of here.
He's getting that way.
Yeah, I've literally seen it on the, pretty much near the surface. Oh. Dude, it's a cobia. You beauty.
Now he knows he's caught.
Yes!
It's a cobia. Holy! Oh man! And it did not at any stage know it was caught.
Oh, that's awesome.
That is
how
sick.
fucking cool.
That is sick.
Second to last day of fishing, and it's finally. I've tried for 2.5 weeks to. Well, even to have a day like today, that'd be that. Actually, yeah, we had to get the back out camera and everything. Run the GoPro dry. Running the old 4.
Our eyes are closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost.
Now that's a fillet. Yeah, this morning my toe got between the boat and the boat ramp, and it is really sore. Check it out. Oh, could be worse, but we got fish, so how good. Can't help myself. Found some of those plants. Anyone knows what they're called? Let me know, please. This doesn't get old ever. Anyway, gold spots cod. Good looks. Don't get too many scales. Yummy. Well, what a day that turned out to be. Pretty good for a change. Got some good fish. Good fun. And yeah, we're just chilling, having a froth, and watching the sunset.